I started having pain in my thumb joint and I let it go. I'm thinking, okay, it'll be all right. And then it started to hurt really bad. And then I had my knee operated on and I had to use crutches, and I couldn't use crutches at all. So I went and saw Dr. Pervaiz, and I had terrible arthritis in my basal joint. And I work here. I do casting, bracing, you name it, I do it here. And I need both of my hands. I may be right hand dominant, but I rely on both of my hands. So I suffered with this pain, multiple injections, and finally one day I just couldn't do it anymore, and I scheduled surgery. And they kept saying, Dr. Pervaiz kept saying, you will have no pain the day after surgery. Evan Taxin, no pain the day after surgery. And for some reason, I just couldn't believe him. But I went ahead and had the surgery, and the very next day, no lie, no pain, just surgical pain. But that arthritis was taken out. And because of that, I have my hand back, and it doesn't hurt at all. It was a basal joint arthroplasty. They go in and they remove the joint here, and they take part of a tendon from the forearm to go ahead and make your joint. So it's amazing. And I have to do it on this side, and I will do it. I can't wait. Recovery was actually, for me, it was pretty easy. I had to go to a lot of occupational therapy, learn how to pick things up again, marbles, tacks, pins, jacks, all that kind of stuff. You have to be able to get this motion back, to be able to get a good fist motion back, and your strength. So that's what you work on when you go to occupational therapy. You work with putty, you work with everything. And I did this stuff at home as well because I need the full function of my hand. It's about 2 months for recovery, for the therapy and everything like that, but it's very important that you do everything they say because you will be happy that you did everything at the end. If anyone is suffering from this and you're afraid to do this surgery, and if it's so severe and they tell you that it's really bad, listen to them. Don't wait, get it done. Don't suffer with that pain. It's not worth it. It's just not worth it. You will feel 100% better the very day after surgery.